Everybody wants to make money online with videos, but how do you do it without falling for scams? The short answer, by following a proven process consistently. But what exactly is that process? In this video, I'll share 3 processes that's helping people, even those with limited time. I've been helping brands and individuals grow online for years, so trust me. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. I will talk about proven methods with real potential to build lasting wealth for you. Before we dive into creating faceless videos with the right AI tools, let me show you a few successful channels already doing this. One channel focuses on animals, producing faceless videos that generate thousands of dollars every month. Another channel covers history, attracting thousands of views with each upload. Remember, there's no magic money button. Just smart strategies and a bit of patience can lead you to similar success. Let's see what methods you can use to create such videos. First option is to do it yourself. You can create faceless videos by handling everything on your own, from scripting to editing. It's a great way to learn the ropes and keep costs low, but it's time-consuming. The best part? You control everything. So if you have time, this might be your option. To start, you can use free tools like CapCut to see how you are coping with editing yourself. Second option is using AI tools. This is where the magic happens. AI tools can help you automate some part or the entire process. From script generation to voiceovers and even video editing, there's a tool for everything. Want a British accent voice to do the talking? Done. Need AI-generated stock footage? Easy. AI tools save you time. But remember, it's still a machine. You'll need to add a personal touch so it doesn't sound like Siri is running your channel. And on top of making editing faster, these tools can analyze trending content and suggest topics for you. Third option is hiring freelancers. If you've got the cash but not the time, this is your golden option. Freelancers can handle everything: writing scripts, voiceovers, editing, and more. You can find experts on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to get your content ready by freelancers. Think of yourself as the director. You tell them what to do and they make it happen. The biggest advantage is that you can scale fast. You can crank out multiple videos a week with multiple freelancers. And while you're at it, you can focus on other aspects of your channel. Okay, now you know how to make videos. But how will you make money with them? Let me break it down for you. When you monetize your YouTube channel, the easiest way to start earning is through ad revenue. Once you hit YouTube's eligibility requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts running ads on your videos, and you get a cut. It's not much at first, but as your views grow, so does the payout. Think of it as your slow and steady money snowball. Selling your own digital products like ebooks, courses, or even templates can turn your faceless channel into a full-on money-making machine, and you don't need to show your face to build trust. Great content does that for you. And the best part? No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. Partner with companies and promote their products in your videos. Every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a commission. If you're recommending products that genuinely help your viewers, this can become a huge revenue stream. As your channel grows, brands will want a piece of the action. They'll pay you to promote their products or services. This brand deals are ranging from $100,000 to $100,000 per video. So, truly, the sky's the limit. So, there you have it. We explored 3 ways to create faceless videos: doing it yourself, using AI tools, or hiring freelancers. Whether you're investing time or money, each method offers a path to building a successful channel. And we didn't stop at content creation. We dove into how to monetize your efforts, from ad revenue to selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and even brand deals that can pay thousands per video. Making money online with videos isn't just a dream, it's a reality. If you're willing to put in the effort and follow a smart strategy, whether you go solo, let AI lend a hand, or build a team of freelancers, the opportunities are out there. So pick the approach that suits you best, get started, and watch your online income grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips. And who knows, you could be the next big channel we talk about.